Your closet is full of clothes. English's closet is full of idioms. Today we try on 8 of them. Here are 8 idioms about clothes. Number 1, dress to the nines. Shoes shined, tie perfect, cufflinks deployed. Dress to the nines means turned out in your absolute finest, top to bottom. Number 2, fly by the seat of your pants. Early pilots had few instruments. They felt the plane through well the seat. Flying by the seat of your pants means improvising without a plan. Number 3, wear your heart on your sleeve. Some people hide their feelings. Others pin them right to the fabric where everyone can read them. It means hiding absolutely nothing. Number 4, a wolf in sheep's clothing. The wool is fluffy. The smile has too many teeth. A wolf in sheep's clothing is danger dressed up as something harmless. Number 5, off the cuff. Old speakers scribbled last-second notes on their shirt cuffs. Speaking off the cuff means unrehearsed, unscripted, and hopefully unregretted. Number 6, too big for your britches. The promotion was Tuesday. The ego arrived Wednesday. Too big for your britches means acting more important than you actually are. Number 7, buckle down. Tighten the belt, square the shoulders, the fun is over. Buckling down means getting seriously, finally, to work. Number 8, lose your shirt. The bet was a sure thing. So sure you wagered everything, including laundry. Losing your shirt means losing it all, down to the last button. And that is 8 idioms about clothes. You are now fully dressed linguistically. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.